Kia ora class. This is a video on concepts for 91046, conceptual design. So in our previous videos we talked about research and specifications as well as our brief. This video we're going to talk in detail about coming up with concepts. So this is the publisher document that you guys need to download. This is the page where you need to come up with more than one concept. If you look at the assessment schedule, this is what you're going to be marked on. The very first criteria on the left for achieved says you need to generate design ideas. So that means you need to sketch more than one idea of an indoor furniture concept. To get to merit and excellence, your ideas must be, remember, they must be informed by research and feedback from your stakeholders. That's the difference between merit, excellence, and achieved. One more thing as well, this is the design process that we're following. So remember, we started off with a design brief. That's our guidelines for what we're doing. And then we looked at an investigation or research. And now we're up to this ideation or concept stage. After this video, we're going to be looking at the development stage, developing ideas further. So how does this look in reality? So if we look at Marshall's project, so you can see a quick overview. He's done 3 different pages. Each page contains a different idea. So this is his first concept here. And then you can see this is his second concept. And then he has a third page, a third concept. So concept 3 and concept 2 are quite similar, but they just have subtly different ways of construction. So these concepts are all based on his the information he found out from his research and his brief. So remember his brief, he wanted to design a rustic piece of furniture that used recycled materials, and it also needed to be durable. That was his brief criteria. So this concept here, I can see that he has used reclaimed timber, and he's used some sort of steel or iron, perhaps something he's found around the farm. And he's done a simple pin analysis on each sketch. So he's got a pictorial sketch here, a view from the side and a view from the top. So 3 different views of the same concept. That really helps your stakeholders understand your ideas a little better than just drawing one view. And you can see he's got a comment from stakeholder 1, 2, and another comment from stakeholder 1. Now he's used these comments to put back into his development further down the track. He's done the same for concept page 2 and concept page 3. You can see with page 3, he's starting to show a little bit more detail. So he's drawn a little circle around this area here, and he's indicating he's wanting to attach the oil drum to the sleeper with some type of screw. He doesn't quite know what type of screw or nail he would use yet. That's something he would need to investigate further down the track. But you can see again on this page he's drawn a pictorial view of it, and then he's drawn it from the front and the side. So these 3 different views, as well as the top, gives a really good indication of how this thing would look, the aesthetics. And because he's rendered it in wood, I can tell that the top is made from wood. That's obviously an iron oil drum, and that's some sort of sleeper. So he's communicated the way it looks very well, as well as the way it functions. And these all link back to his brief and his research. So in summary, to get the top mark, you need to do at least 2 different concepts, and you need to write a brief summary or analysis of each one of your ideas. To achieve, you need to get stakeholder feedback for each concept. So what you'll need to do is, as you finish the concepts, send me a copy and I'll write a comment for you guys to record. Okay, so in the next video we will be talking about development.